Hello, algebra students. We are looking at section 3.6, the title of which is Proportional and Non-Proportional Relationships, and I'm working off of page 200. Problem number 7 I have drawn here. I hope you can see that. There is a point here at 0, -2, and there is a point here at 2, 2. The instructions say write an equation in function notation form for each relation. So remember, function notation would be, instead of a y, we're going to have f of x. So if you had an equation, for example, y equals 2x plus 1, function notation would put it as f of x equals 2x plus 1. And all we would really be saying in terms of the graph itself is that this is still the x-axis over here, but instead of being the y-axis, this is now the f of x axis. So it's really just a difference in notation. It has tremendous uses as you move on into Algebra 2. But for now, we'll just put the equation in function notation. So to do that, we're going to start with f of x equals. Now, the y-intercept is -2. So we know that at the end of this, there's going to be a -2, and we're going to have an x. We simply need the slope in front of the x. To do that, we're going to count. From this point up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 2. So 4 over 2 is the same as 2. So the equation is y equals 2x. Or did I count wrong? Let me see. No, I believe that's right. This is actually not problem 7 because I changed it a bit without intending to. But for this problem, that is the correct equation. It's down 2, then you go up 4 and over 2, which is a slope of 2. All right, let's take a look at one more here in function form. Let's take a look at this one. We have a point at 0. Here, let me get rid of this and this. And we have a point at 0, 2, right here. And we also have a point up 1 and over 4 from there. So that would be here. So there are the points we're going to use in order to find the equation in function form. Now I'm going to draw this line. Okay, and then I'm going to start with y equals, and it's going to be a plus 2 at the end. We're looking for the slope now. And the slope from this point is up 1 over 4, so that is 1/4 x plus 2. All right? Let me just see if there's anything else that I wanted to mention in here. Yes, there were a couple of problems on page 202 that I wanted you to take a look at. Number 19, what is the slope of a line that contains the point 1, -5 and has the same y-intercept as 2x minus y equals 9? All right, let's put this up because I don't need it right at the moment. I'm looking for, so here's y equals, no, I'm sorry, 2x minus y equals 9. So 2x minus y equals 9. I want it to have the same y-intercept as this point, as this line. So let's find it. Minus 2x minus 2x. We get -y equals -2x plus 9. Multiply through by -1 to get rid of this negative in front of the y. And we get y equals 2x minus 9. Therefore, the y-intercept we're looking for is minus 9. Now, we want it to contain the point 1, -5. So, this point, remember, is, here, I'll put it over here, is 0, -9. The x value is 0, the y value is down 9, so that point is 0, -9. The other point we're given is 1, -5. So all of this can be done without graphing it, and here's what we're going to do. -9 minus -5 is -9 plus 5, which is -4, over 0 minus 1 is -1. So the slope is 4. The y-intercept is -9. The solution to the problem is, well, let's see. It simply asked for the slope of a line. So the answer is 4, and in this particular case that would be D in problem 19 on page 202. Let's see if we can do, let's see here. Number 21, Luis deposits $25 each week into a savings account from his part-time job. $25 per week he deposits. Okay, 25 per week. All right. He had $350 in savings at this moment, $350, and he is going to work for 12 weeks, and we want to find out how much he's going to have in 12 weeks. So he has $350 to begin with. 12 times 25 is 300. So he's going to add $300 based on 12 weeks at $25 a week, and that's going to give him $650, and that's the answer, which is H in this problem. All right, now that should be enough for this section, so thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.